Have you ever wondered how to protect your assets against news, events, and everyday problems? If so, you are at the right video. First, let's create an account. After that, log into the website with the account. When logged in, Profile page welcomes us. We can see all the information about our account in here. We have a very simple homepage with our key features. Now let's check out our main feature, InvestMate Chatbot, specialized for better investment analysis. Very user-friendly interface for everyday use. Our first feature allows users to analyze news for the day and give a detailed report. At the right, we can see the total cost for the user and whether the app uses live data to give a detailed report. App also gives the related news and links to the related article. As we can see, we got a detailed answer from our chatbot. Our chatbot is multilingual. We can give questions in any language. This time, let's give it a more specific event for it to analyze. As we can see, the answer is supported by RAG. Our RAG enhanced system improves precision to our answer. Let's check out the related PDF to the answer. Also, we have a feature that gives us a risk mitigation report for the event. Let's download it and check out the report. How can we provide new researches to the app, you might ask? At the bottom right, we have a RAG file upload button that opens up the menu for RAG. Here we can view all the research files that our bot uses. Also, our bot doesn't answer out-of-topic questions for safety purposes. That's all the features for our InvestMate bot for now. Thank you for your time. We hope to see you as a user for InvestMate.